Check this guy out right here. It's coming right towards me. Pretty good size. Not afraid at all. Yeah, so this is part of the experience in Alabama. Yeah, look at this guy. He's probably about 4 or 5 feet, I bet. He's getting pretty close. I'll be. It's the only one I see here right now, but there's definitely more. He's probably hoping I got some food. So he's probably about 25 feet from me. Part of the Alabama experience here, ladies and gentlemen. Check it out. I'll take a walk through here, see if we spot a couple more, but right now, yeah, this guy's a good 5, 6 feet. The one at my house looked bigger than this guy that we saw across the pond the other day, but probably pretty close to this, a little bit bigger. Yeah, this guy do some damage. Up there he goes. Yeah, really cool. Really cool. So he's real close.
Yeah.
How big? How many feet? 6?
Yeah, that's what I would say. 6.
Yep. 6 feet. He's hungry. We spotted another one bigger at the opposite side of this pond. And this place is called Gator Stop. And I'm not even exactly sure what town I'm in, but it's on my way back from Auburn. Jacob told me to come by and check this out. Gator Stop. Let me see where we're at. Where do you follow? All right, so, oh yeah, this is a big boy right here. So we're at Gator Stop in Eufaula. Jacob told me to stop by here on the way back from Auburn, but there's a pretty good sized gator here. Yeah, this guy's definitely. Yeah, this guy's pretty good size right here. Yeah, this is really, really cool. So you can stop, get something to eat, get some gas, and check out the pond here full of gators. This guy's coming right for us. Yeah, this guy's a little bit bigger. A lot of fish in this pond. Look at this. Check out this pond. It's pretty good size pond, but not gigantic, but this guy's definitely coming in. No fear at all. Yeah, a little bit bigger, I think, than the other one for sure. These things are very, very stealth. The lady next to me just told her husband she doesn't trust this fence. Um, he's about, I would say we're about 15 feet apart. And I would say this gator's probably 7 foot, and he's eating well. So it's two we see in here. Yeah, I would not go in the water with something this big, 6, 7 feet. Yeah, it's a pretty good sized animal. And these two both look like they're eating quite well, and I'm sure there's more in here, and there's probably a bigger one in here. Gator stop, Eufaula, Alabama. There it is. And here's this guy right here just eyeballing me. Very, very stealth. So I thought I'd stop and check this out. Jacob said you got to check it out on your way back from Auburn. So glad I did. Very, very cool. There's like stuff you can buy in the store if you want t-shirts, hats, all that stuff. They have fishing equipment here. You can buy little gator heads, all kind of cool little stuff, and then check out the gators. But yeah, to see these guys live is always, to me, fascinating. Yeah, I have them in my own backyard. They're in our pond, and they're just as big as these, and maybe even bigger. But it's the ones you don't see. But this gator right here, I'd say is about 7 feet. The other one's probably 6. And if this thing ever bit down on you, you're gonna have a bad day. This could really do some damage. And if you're in deep water with this thing, and it's a big animal. I mean, 6, 7 feet. That's a big animal. And it's just like armor. So he just closed his eyes. Guess he's taking a nap. Oh, here's another one over here. This is really, really cool. I mean, I gotta say, it's totally free. You just pull over. I just got a bottled water, pulled over, and I'm just checking this out. And that's a pretty good sized guy right there. These guys are just chilling out. Pretty good size. So I don't know what the biggest gator is in here, but that's a decent sized gator right there. But you would never see this in California, where you have a 3.5 foot fence separating you from a wild animal. Oh my gosh, this is looks like some type of gar swimming in the water right here. I don't know if you can see it, but it's about probably 2 feet long. Hard to see, but it looks like some type of gar. Interesting. A lot of fish in the water here. I don't know if the camera's picking this up, but there's fish everywhere. Everywhere. It's a really cool little habitat, but again, totally free. You can stop, get some gas, get a bottle of water, get a candy bar, bag of chips, whatever your pleasure, and just walk over here and check out. This bird has got an egg, and I'm probably gonna say that's an alligator egg over there. There's a bunch of little eggs, and this bird's eating one, so looks like something hatched. Turtle right here. This is so cool. So cool. Very, very cool. Just a cool little habitat for the fish, the gators, the turtles, the birds. Very, very, very cool. I'm just really surprised how cool this was going to be. I didn't even know if I'd see one gator, but now we've seen 3. So very, very cool. Just come out here, and it's cool that there's things like this you can do. You can just pull over and there's no charge. If this was California, there would definitely be a charge for sure, but California would never allow this. I mean, this is like 3.5, maybe 4 feet in some spots, 4 feet. This little flimsy gate. So they leave it up to people, you know. Make good choices. Don't go over the fence, because it'll probably be a bad day. Look at this guy just eyeballing me right now. Really unbelievable how cool that is. But looks like they're eating well. Really cool little habitat over here, and wanted to show this to you as I'm driving back home. And a beautiful day, 80 degrees on the nose, kind of partly cloudy, a little overcast, really nice little breeze. But really cool. And there's really nobody here. I mean, there's one other person right there, and that's it. It's just me. Just a couple people getting gas, taking a walk. There's another one way out there cruising. Yeah, he's nice size too. Seems like they're in that 6 to 7 foot range, but you know there's probably some big one in here hiding out down at the bottom. And I noticed they have a feeder over here too. I don't know if that's for the fish. I'm sure it is. I don't know what they're feeding these gators. Maybe they feed them fish, chickens, dead hogs, who knows. But it looks like they're eating pretty good. So there was one out there. He just went under. But absolutely fascinating. Thanks for tuning in. Just showing you some stuff here in Alabama as I just got off the road. I wanted to share this with you. Very cool. I love nature. I love animals. A lot of people, you know, in the comments on my channel will talk about how deadly the alligators are, and they're going to eat me and eat all my dogs and family and all that. Look, they're dangerous animals. You got to respect them, but you know, we keep our distance. Here's another one over here cruising by. He's pretty good size, this guy. We respect them. We don't let our dogs in the water, and we try to keep them away getting anywhere near the water. We just stay away from that. We respect these guys. They're powerful animals, and we would never want to lose one of our dogs. So they will not be going swimming in the pond anytime soon. But that's a big boy out there. Very cool, very cool. So anyways, leave me a comment down below. Want to check in with everybody. It's a gorgeous day. We are blessed to have another day alive, blessed to be alive. And I feel blessed just to check this out. The fish, the birds, the turtles, the gators, all of it's so cool. God really created some amazing things, and we can still enjoy it. So to me, it's good to do, to put a little balance in our lives with everything that's happening, with the economy, with the wars, all of that. It's just nice to take a little break, pull over, and just check out the animals for a few minutes and enjoy nature. Let me know. Comment down below. Talk to all of you soon.